Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you that how can you convert an HTML page into a PDF. So there are two ways of doing this. Firstly, I'm going to show you that how can you save a page into a PDF format, an HTML page, and then we are going to see the use of an online tool for this purpose. So first of all, you need to go to the page which you want to save as a PDF. Suppose I've opened this page of IPL, that is Indian Premier League. To save it as a PDF, what you need to do is just right click and go to print, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl P for this purpose as well. So here you will see that the whole page is now available for you. Make sure the option Microsoft Print to PDF is selected and then click on print. So instead of printing the page, it would simply just save it as a PDF. Now we can just name it as IPL home page and save it on a preferred location. Now if we just go to our location here, you will see that the IPL home page has been saved here. This we can share with anyone that we want. Now the second way of doing this is using an online tool. So just search for the online tool I love PDF, and what is our intent? Our intent is to convert an HTML page to a PDF page. So once we Google this, we will get the first link, HTML to PDF converter. Click on add HTML, and here we need to just copy the URL of the website and provide it and click on add. So once we do that, it will create a preview for us and it will allow us to set the page dimensions, that what is the page we want, what is the orientation we want. So let's just go with the landscape orientation, and we can click on preview to make sure our preview is getting created. Then once you're happy with the preview, you can just click on convert to PDF. It will take a few seconds and it will convert your HTML page into a PDF format. And not only this, it will also download the file for you so that you can just take a look at it. So let's just click on this download PDF button, and here you can see that the file is getting downloaded. So once it's downloaded, we would be able to see its preview. Here you can see that once the PDF was downloaded, we can preview it as much as we want. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.